This 1974 Super Beetle has summer fun written all over it. This 1974 Super Beetle convertible looks and runs great with a fully restored body and vinyl interior inserts over bucket seats. The tires and brakes are like new. Chrome-appointed wheels give this Beetle a little more attitude for the open road. In addition to the body restore and engine replacement, the following have been added. The carburetors have been replaced with dual Weber 4.4 IDFs, installed an electric fuel pump, installed custom stereo and optional dash clock, rear seatbelts have been added, and the Grant 4-spoke steering wheel. We've replaced the points with the Pertronix electronic ignition, and we replaced the distributor with the Pertronix Performance distributor without vacuum advance. Please contact the offices of Universal Imports of Rochester at 585-381-8677 or on the web at universalimports.com. You can also reach us by email at mark@universalimports.com for more information on this vehicle. This vehicle is being sold through our office. We look forward to talking to you about the possibilities of this beautiful Beetle being in your garage.